This video is for those agents of lies and the senseless people that are listening to them. Those agents of lies are those, I'm talking to the people in Anioma who are saying that they are not Igbo, who are saying that they don't want to support the creation of Anioma state, that if they want to create a state for Anioma, that they can create it in South. Now, some of them claim that they're educated, that they have their master degree and all that. Some of them even claim as a traditional ruler. They will pray in their language or cantation in their language and dialect. They end up saying in Jesus' name. These are the foolish people. They say they don't know where the word Anioma is coming from, but this is their own, and they're in support of Delta and the South. That just created yesterday that you don't even know the meaning. In 1997 was when South was created. In Delta State was created just 1991. But you say this is something you know. What of Nigeria? You say that the word Anioma, which is your language, something you know, that is you know very well, you are against it. You say you don't know what is coming from. You think that you are deceiving people that are wise. No, you are deceiving those senseless people that are listening to you people, because Anioma is our own. If you call yourself, if you claim who you are, why are you against the word Anioma when you know that it's you? You say you don't know where it's coming from. The Nigeria, do you know the meaning of Nigeria? Who made you Nigeria? But you say that you are proud Nigeria. Who named you Nigeria? Who created Nigeria? Who named you Delta? Who created Delta? Who named you Niger South? Have you ever heard South in any part of the world? You don't know the meaning, and the word South does not exist, but you say you want to remain that. But because you don't want to be an Igbo, when you know that your name, your custom and tradition, the name of your community, your dialect, language, everything is Igbo, because you are a coward and criminal. Those who are now taking something for the politicians are the foolish people and cowards who have no sense, and those that are afraid to say the truth. Because you see that Nigeria system is facing, is targeting Igbo. That puts fear in your heart. Are you not a coward? Instead of you to say this nonsense, you stop, because you are proudly Igbo man. But because you see the fear now take you away from the reality, and you now come on social media to lie to people. Are you not a foolish person? Nigerian military are buying innocent people in their communities, villagers, shooting, bombing them, leaving the terrorists that kidnapping and buying people. They are leaving them, negotiating and paying them ransom. Every time you hear Nigerian military say they mistakenly bomb communities. Why can't they mistakenly bomb those terrorists that are buying and kidnapping people? Why are them bombing innocent people every time? Then yesterday it happened again. It happened last time. Every time they are bombing innocent people. They are in the so-called Southeast Nigeria political zone, bombing and buying people, because the people hold ground to stop the injustice, to stop this thing that the stranger came and imposed in us. Something that all of us are supposed to unite as one people and achieve our goal for the sake of our children, so that all these things will stop. And you think these people will use basket to fetch water? No, basket can never fetch water. So my life will never hold ground.